Is your NFL fantasy app not working? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix if your NFL fantasy app is not working. The first thing you want to do is check if you're using the latest version of the app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store and search NFL Fantasy Football. Now, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is clear cache of your app. For that, open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown over here. Search for NFL Fantasy and tap on that. Next, tap on Storage. Now, tap on the Clear Cache option. Once that is done, head back. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Now, launch open the Fantasy app and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to reinstall the application. For that, first of all, uninstall the app. Once it has been uninstalled, open up Play Store again, search NFL Fantasy and tap on the Install option. After that, launch open and check if your problem is fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.